welcome back to my channel. What was that?
There was a big tree bush.
Oh, tree bush. Oh my
Oh my
god.
god, look, a raccoon.
I love those things. They're so cute.
I want one. My friend used
Me
to have
too.
one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I thought I was recording just now, but I wasn't.
We were talking
That's so
for
annoying.
5 minutes.
Yeah, I was literally like filming for like 5 minutes, but went to Taco Bell. Oh, this is my friend Kayla. I'll put her Instagram below. Tomorrow we're gonna do a video together. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, I got nacho fries for the first time. They're pretty good. And now we're at the lake because where we live, there's nothing to do at all. I look so weird in the dark with my pink hair. Looks like I don't have hair. Okay, guys.
I want to go on a boat.
See you later. Bye. Hello, everyone. What's up? I look crazy. I need to go home and get ready. I need to find my curler so I can curl my hair. I prefer my hair curled with my new hair, but I also want to see it straight too. So I might actually straighten it today. But I'm in Lexington right now. I just went to a appointment. Don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm not turning down this music. I just went to a doctor's appointment with my ENT doctor. If you don't know what ENT means, it's ear, nose, and throat. And no, I do not get all dressed up to go to my doctor's appointments, as you can tell. Don't look my best. I have this CF shirt on that one of my people from Peds gave me, and then my senior sweatpants that I got from senior year. They were actually very freaking expensive. But yeah, so he said he saw polyps in my sinuses on my left side, on this side, but he said I just need to keep rinsing my sinuses with the saline. I'm supposed to do the saline sinus rinses, and then he said he wants to see me back in 6 months. I love my ENT doctor. He's pretty cute, and he's really sweet and funny, so I like him a lot. But I'm still getting used to this hair, guys. Like, wow. Many compliments on my new video. I'm glad that you guys love it. I love it. I'm just so not used to it. I get really nervous, and you know, I have really bad anxiety, so I bite my lips like crazy. So I'm at Chick-fil-A getting food. As usual, it's my favorite place to eat right now. Like, I get the cold chicken wraps, and they're so freaking good. So good. So I'm about to eat, and then I'm gonna go to the mall, and I'm gonna go and see if there's anything that I want to buy. And then, yeah. Hey guys, so as you all know, I went to the mall, and I, you know, looked around and seen if I wanted to get anything, and I did. I got some stuff, so I want to show you what all I got. Okay, so let's do this, because Reagan's on her way over with my babies. Well, her babies, but my babies. I missed them. Okay, so first, let's show you what I got from Forever 21. So, first, I got this really cute top, and it's like one of those tops. Well, here's the front. You know, they go like this, of course. And I tried it on, and it's so freaking cute. And I'll show you it on. This is the shirt I got. Then I got this shirt, which was also super freaking cute. This one is so cute. I love it. It's just a thin tank top you can wear in the summertime, and I'll show you it on as well. I could pair it with so many different things. You would want to wear these type of shirts with like high-waist things, so I don't ever wear jeans, but these jeans are pretty comfortable, and I tried them on and they look really good on me. So these are the jeans that I got. They got holes in the knee part, and they're high-waisted skinny jeans, and they look really good. I'll show you the tops, both the tops paired with these jeans on. Got some Victoria's Secret goodies. And okay, so they had a sale going on where the bralettes there were $7.99. So I got this really cute bralette, super cute. And here's the back. I might show what it looks like on. I don't know. It depends on how showing it is. If it's too showing, I won't show what it looks like on. But it's very cute, and I'm excited to wear it. So yeah, that's what I got from Victoria's Secret. Well, and you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but these were $25, and they are these cute panties. Hold on, let me fix the light. So they have these. This is the side. It says Victoria's Secret, and it's all you know, sparkly, and it's so cute, and it matches my bralette. So these together will look super freaking cute. So obviously I'm not gonna show what these look like on, but they are super cute. And yeah, so overall I spent about I'd say I spent about $80 something of all of this stuff all together. But I'm very happy with my purchases. I think they are super cute, and I can't wait to show you what they look like. So yeah, I will do that. Here's what this shirt looks like just with shorts on. I'm just wearing this just around the house, but this shirt is so freaking cute. I'm just wearing it, like I said, just around the house right now. But so this is what it looks like. But I haven't showed you guys what it looks like with the jeans on, but I will. But yeah, this is what it looks like with these shorts. And hey vlog, look who I am.
I don't know if you've ever
My
watched on
girl.
Netflix, they have like the border patrols and stuff at the airport and stuff, and they try to see if like
Avery
the pregnant women are
Buck.
coming here just to,
Oops.
you know, have their baby in the United States.
Avery Buck.
Yes.
Avery Buck.
Yeah, really.
She's over here a voiceover.
She's over here
music.
making a video. I'm like, okay. She has me
Bye to Avers. Avers going bye-bye.
That box. I'm sorry, I had the blanket in your eye. Okay, now you
I love
can
you.
probably buckle her faster
I
than
love you so much.
I'll let you do the buckle part.
It's my girl. He's my girl. Say bye-bye. So this is the bra from Victoria's Secret, the little bralette that I got. And this is the back of it. I like the back, it's pretty. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty cute. This is the one of the shirts that the other shirt that I got. It's super freaking cute. I really like it a lot. And these are the jeans that I got. Let my hair down. I don't look my best right now, but yeah, show you my body mirror. This is the outfit. It's super cute. Oh yeah, I really like this outfit. It's super cute. Here's the top. Here is the bottoms, the jeans. They actually look really good on me, the jeans do. They fit me really good. Here's the front of them. They have holes in the knee part. So yeah, here's that outfit. Super cute. It makes me look a little bit thick, you know what I mean? So yeah. And then of course with this shirt, it also looks cute. So after that little try on haul thing, it wasn't really a haul because there wasn't that many clothes, but now I am going to straighten my hair for the first time with having pink hair. So I have not done that. I haven't even brushed out my hair since I got it done. So I'm gonna spray it with this stuff. Angler. And it's good for your hair. It has argan oil in it. Hello everyone, happy 4th of July. It's crazy that it's 4th of July and like last year, like gosh, so much has changed in a year. It's insane to me. It's crazy. So I'm just toning my face right now. So this is a cute little summertime outfit. I think it looks good. I didn't want to wear jeans, but I don't have any high-waisted shorts that are not jean shorts, which sucks. I might look up here. Oh well, I guess I'll just wear this then. Really need to get my nails done. People are like, you know, judgmental to like colored hair. I feel like my dad's side of the family might be a little judgmental, but I mean, they haven't done anything for me, so it doesn't matter to me. I'm gonna put some brow gel. Just put a little bit of mascara on, not too much at all. I got a nude lipstick and it's really pretty. Hello guys, what's up? So, got a smoothie. Strawberry banana smoothie. It's good. I'm just sitting here watching YouTube. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna go over to my friend Beth's house, talk to her a little bit. I might watch fireworks they do at their house. I'm not sure. I'm having a hard day. Not the best day. Last 4th of July, I was with Kevin, and this 4th of July, I'm alone. You know, like, I'll literally ask him, I'm like, can you just tell me that you don't love me anymore? Or tell me if you still have love for me at all? And he's like, I can't tell you that. The least he could do is tell me if he loves me. Because my dumbass is sitting here stressing over him 24/7, excuse my language, but I'm so sick of this. Like, I've never went through a breakup like this. I don't know how to do it. Like, I feel like I'm gonna lose my mind, dude. It sucks. Like, it really does. Like, I try to act like, wow, you know, like I'm doing so good. I'm not. I'm a mess. I've never been more a mess in my life. It's like I can't even cry anymore. I don't even have any tears left. I've cried too much. I don't know. And like, nobody wants to hear about it. No one in my life wants to hear about me talk about Kevin. No one. So this is why I talk to you guys, because you guys are always so understanding and you guys are always so sweet, and no matter what I put out, you guys comment the sweetest things, and I'm so thankful for that. I really am. I'm, you know, hearing from occasionally. This is not the guy that I was with for 2 years. It's a completely different person. And it scares me, honestly. It's like, I really never knew who he was. He's a completely different person than who I thought he was. He's not the person that I was in love with for 2 years, that I miss every fucking day of my life, dude. It's not him. And it's like he literally just faked who he was for 2 years. Who does that, dude? Who does that? This dude is a sociopath. I could bet that he's a sociopath. Like, I really could. I would put $100 on it. Like, for him to literally have fun knowing how bad I am hurting, and to not care at all. And for him to act like for those 2 years that I was his best friend, that I was his girlfriend, that I was all these things, and now I'm nothing to him. Not like anything. I'm nothing. How the hell does someone go from being someone's everything to nothing to them at all? Nothing. Welcome back to the vlog. You're silly. Me and Beth are sitting here with the kitties.
Get him, Zach.
Cute kitties.
Where's the gray one?
You tell them, hey, you guys want to tell the vlog their names? What's their names? What's that one's name?
Rain.
Rain? There's its face. And then this one is Nala. And then the gray one is
Blue. Who named Blue?
Blue.
This guy's gonna
Blue
get it 'cause he
Husky.
has blue eyes.
I'll just call him Husky. I call him Husky, but his name is Blue. Because he's got blue eyes. He's really pretty.
Oh God, kitty.
But you guys have met Zach. There's Zach. This is Beth's son. And then this is Gara. This is Beth's niece. But you guys have met them. And then there's Malachi. Say hi.
Malachi.
He's shy.
No, nothing needs to see them.
Zach, stop it.
Do you want to talk to it?
Alice, she got peas.
Oh yeah, I do.
Pretty.
Yes, they're so cute. They like to play with each other.
Yes, very.
You want to put them down and let them play?
They're running around. I like to jump too. Watch it.
Oh.
jump.
Oh my gosh! And they're so small.
Oh, yeah.
They're so small and they jump off the couch.
So cute though.
Yeah, this one's my favorite.
Is it the skinny one?
Yeah. That's like a little
No.
tiger. That's like a little tiger.
Isn't the other one skinnier than this one?
I think that one's starting to get
Oh.
skinny now. That was, they're like, they don't know how to release their claws.
Hi.
You see his face is so cute.
Oh,
I
you
know.
just...
His face is so pretty. Her face is so pretty. Nala, that's why I never know.
Nala.
Lion.
I love that
I
name.
know. Jasmine wants to change it to
Like that.
Sophie.
That would be a cute name for like a kid. Nala.
Yeah, oh, I know. It's cute.
That is actually gonna go on my baby names list.
Beyonce.
Oh my gosh, I
Beyonce
love
plays
that.
Nala in the new Lion King. You know that? He got him, yeah.
Seashells. You want to show them?
Hurry,
Come here, hurry. Come show them your seashells. Rocks. They're not seashells, silly.
Seashell.
Seashells. Okay. They're seashells. Seashells.
No, you can say. Garrett, we'll see how much it is.
So me and Beth's gonna go get our nails done, and Garrett's gonna come along with us,
Oh, God.
and we're gonna have a good 4th of July.
Alex, I don't want to play with Alex.
We'll be back.
Zach will be here. Or
People just turn
This
it.
one ended.
All right, I'm doing a heart. Doing a heart.
Get off there.
Oh! Woohoo! Yay!
James, watch
Whoa!
yourself belt back into that.
Sorry.
John, you know what you always do? Put them in here, okay?
Yay! Look at those. They're so pretty. Smile, Brittany. Good job.
Oh, I'm done. He's done.
That was pretty.
If you get Malachi in that, will you send it to Beth?
Yeah, I'm sending them all.
Okay, so she can send it.
Hey, Malachi, will you look at me?
Look at her,
Smile.
look at her, let her get a picture.
Say
Well,
cheese.
let her look
Smile.
at
Whoa! Whoa!
I'm scared of it. I don't know where. All right, be patient. Yeah, I know.
That's scary.
Hold it up till it's really out.
We're doing bombs. Cute. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. 4th of July. Whoa! Is that gonna explode? Is it? 4th of July fireworks. Oh! Oh my God! Smoke! Hurry! Fireworks! Say fireworks!
Show them your hair.
Fireworks!
Your hair has gotten so long, girl. I can braid it.
Oh, cute! It's a pretty fountain. Whoa! Pretty!
Of those big ones, go up the steps some.
Yeah. He's doing another one. He is?
Oh, I just saw one through the tree.
Oh. So pretty! Right, Gara?
Yeah.
You guys think they're pretty?
What?
Oh. what's up? So I'm going to work out today. It's a Friday. Had fun last night. Doing fireworks and stuff. So I'm gonna film my workout today because everyone's wanting to see my workout routine. So I'm gonna do a video of it. So yeah. I am going to work out at 3 and it's probably like 2 something right now. So yeah. I look a mess. I just have some moisturizer on. That's it. I didn't feel like getting all ready and stuff just to go work out. Had fun last night for the 4th of July. We did a whole bunch of fireworks and all that good stuff. And then today I'm gonna go get my nails done with Beth. Finally, we've been wanting to go get our nails done together forever. So we're gonna go today. And I'm just gonna do something simple, something cheap, but I definitely need my nails done. So yeah. Talk to you guys later. Say hi.
What?
Talk to the camera. Say hi. I'm Bree Bree.
Hi, I'm Bree Bree.
I'm Bree Bree.
No, you're Alex.
I'm Bree Bree.
No, you're Alex.
I'm Bree Bree.
No. You're not like Bree Bree. You're Alex.
Say I'm cute.
I'm cute.
I'm cute.
I got it.
Curly hair.
I got clipping my hair.
Fix the van, but I have to have loss or insurance on it.
Hey.
Let me
Are
pay for
y'all
my
getting it
insurance
fixed?
Yes.
for my van every month.
They do what now?
Pizza.
Gas check every month.
Pizza.
Pizza.
I'm gonna cut you.
I'm gonna cut you. Bubba cut you. I'm gonna cut you.
And then they
I'm gonna cut
give
you.
a $1,500
Okay,
limit
I got
for
you.
insurance and help fix the
She's
car.
got me.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
You're going to jail.
What's it
I'm going
called,
to
like-
jail.
Here you go. Here, you're in jail.
Kisses, kisses,
Oh,
kisses.
yeah.
No, I'm an officer.
Only thing
I can't have no
would do
kisses.
If I ever got any
Okay.
disability, that's it.
I'm sad.
Yeah.
We won't be no kisses.
I hate
But cry.
applying for stuff like that though.
Can I have kisses?
It takes forever.
Can I have kisses? Aw, that's so sweet.
You're not going to jail anymore.
Huh? Hey vlog. Come here. We're in Burnside watching fireworks. You guys say hi. Say hi, Zach.
Hi, come here, Bree.
Show him your face paint. Show him your face paint.
No, come here. Brianna, now. Your sister now.
Bree Bree, come here.
Hurry, we gotta make a video.
Bree Bree, hurry. Come on, come to the video.
Just because
Say
he's
hi.
this size, we have to go see him.
We got face paint. She got Minnie Mouse.
Show me face.
And me and Zach got rainbows.
Yeah.
So cute. And then here's Beth. And there's Tammy. Yeah, we're sitting here and we're waiting for the fireworks to turn on.
earlier,
For someone to do the fireworks.
Bree was on my phone, and it was off, and she was talking to it like she was making a
Oh, that's so cute.
She did it forever. You
Aww.
making a video, Bree?
Do you do YouTube
Watch her.
videos?
She can see your reflection in my phone. Watch her. Make one.
Make a video of yourself.
Say, what do you say?
Say, hey, this is Bree. Welcome back to my channel. Say, welcome back to my channel. Oh, so cute. You say hi to the video.
Hi to the video.
Hi to the video. What are we about to see?
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
I know. I don't know what she'd do.
Yo, vlog, what's up, guys? So I'm going to Lexington. Going to Lex. I am about to be on my way. I'm going to stay with Lexi again. I'm excited. We're gonna have a good ass time. It's gonna be a lit time for sure. My shirt's messed up. So I will see you there, guys. So we're in Kroger. We're gonna pretend that we're British, even though we suck at talking British.
Yeah,
we're gonna pretend. Okay, here, you hold it.
Okay.
Everyone's gonna think we're British. Action.
Hold on. Wait, oh.
Lexi.
Wait.
Lexi.
Hey, girl.
Hello. Nice to meet
Hello,
you.
Mumsy. Nice to meet you. Oh, shit. She had a little chunky in her
Oh my
throat.
goodness. Goodness. Gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm a mermaid.
Hello.
Mommy. I'm a mermaid, mommy. Now
Did we pass the watermelon?
Watermelon.
Where's the melon?
Where is the melon?
Oh, look who we spot. I found my little
guys.
eye,
Hello.
little blue bird.
Guys, hello.
Okay, that's not an
So,
Indian.
We are doing a challenge where we have to talk British the whole time that we're in here.
Okay.
And it will go on my
Oh,
it will go on my YouTube channel.
That sounded like a Jamaican dude.
It will
you
go
know
on my YouTube
I
channel.
just did it too when I came up here, and then you can see in the video, I was
So
like, oh shit.
everyone's in the challenge.
Well, we got hurry because mom.
Everyone is in the challenge. We need to get
challenge.
some. We were looking for
I need
watermelon.
buttermilk bread. Buttermilk bread.
Ask him where the
Watermelon.
Hurry, go.
Milk
Ask him
bread.
for the watermelon.
Oh my god.
Wait, we need buttermilk bread.
I need buttermilk bread.
Buttermilk
What'd you
bread.
say?
Okay, thank you.
Oof. All right, let's go. You did it, Allie.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, you did it.
I said, where's the watermelon?
Where did he say it
He said
was?
it's in the produce department.
Produce department. Growing luckily. Come here, baby.
There it is. I spot the watermelon.
You spot the watermelon. She's going to go get the watermelon. The melons. Damn, that's a big ass melon.
How do you know if it's a good watermelon or not?
If they have bruises on.
Do you know how to pick out a good watermelon?
I know.
Nobody knows.
That's not it.
Nobody knows.
I can't.
Right here.
These are big ass.
$5.99.
Oh yeah, that one looks
Or this one.
That one looks
No,
good.
that one
That one looks
better.
good.
Yeah, that one
That one looks better.
Somebody hold the milk.
I got the milk. Because I'm clumsy.
The milk. The milk.
The milk.
Also
Look,
need
come
to
here.
get-
The milk.
The milk. Red. Miss You're stepping all over me.
Viral.
Go, you got it, girl. Let's go.
I'm so sorry.
it
Wash
wet?
your fruit, guys. Wash your fruit.
Yeah, wash that shit because
is it wet?
apples, you don't. All right, come on, we gotta go. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. Somebody go run and get glue.
Hey, put the watermelon on your belly and pretend you have
Shit. Well, there's more watermelon right there.
You know my mom thinks Corey's pregnant.
I'm pregnant. Where's the glue?
I'm holding the camera all types of wrong right now. I'm so sorry.
Okay,
Wait,
buying the watermelon. Oh, wait, no. She's buying her stuff. With my British boys. It's crazy. Marie. Some more.
Okay. All right. Oh my god, this is fucking messy.
Okay, ready? Oh my god! No! That's not ASMR! What are you doing? Look what she did! She did it! You asshole! Come on!
Give me a bite.
Rest in peace! Hey vlog, what's up? So, I took a shower, put some conditioner in my hair, and then I put some leave-in conditioner in my hair, and now I have like this faded pink color, and I'm really liking it. My hair isn't like it's not the dark pink that it was. Now it's like a light pastel pink like I was wanting. So I have my driver's test in the morning. Hopefully I can pass it. I failed last time, but gotta get up early and go tomorrow. And I'm not looking forward to it because I hate getting up early. It's not for me. I've been a little bit sick. I had a cold for a while, so trying to prevent myself from getting sick enough to have to go in the hospital, because I really don't want that. My life is a big enough mess already. I don't need the hospital to add on to it. Hello guys, I woke up early this morning because I had to go take my driver's test, and this girl finally has her license. Let me show you. So I finally have my license. So here's my picture. Guys, so I just went and got a spray tan, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here because I need to get a vlog up. I've been trying to get my videos up as much as possible. So hopefully you guys are proud of me for getting my videos up like I'm supposed to. But if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Hi. Here's Zach. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
48 seconds.
You say bye?
Bye.
Bye.